This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And today, we are talking about future plans.
Yes, like, what are you doing this weekend? What do you want to do next year?
These are questions you hear every day in English.
And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say.
Easy, natural English. That's what we do here.
So stay with us. It's going to be a great lesson.
Okay, Sarah, before we start, let's say hello properly. Welcome, everyone, to Easy English Podcast.
This is the place where you learn real English, the English that people actually use every day.
Not textbook English, real English.
Exactly. We talk, we laugh, we make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, we do.
And that is totally okay, because that's how you learn.
So if you are new here, hello. Welcome to the family.
And if you've been here before, welcome back. We are so happy you're here.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Oh, and before we continue, one small thing.
If you like learning English this way, easy, friendly, real conversations,
Please hit the subscribe button. It really helps us a lot.
and if you have a friend who is learning English too,
Share this video with them. Study together. It's more fun.
and give us a thumbs up if you want more videos like this.
Okay, that's it. No more asking.
Let's learn. So today's topic, talking about future plans in English.
And I think this is so important.
Why? Tell us, Sarah.
Because people ask you this question all the time, at work, at school, with friends.
What are you doing this weekend?
Do you have any plans for the holiday?
What do you want to do in the future?
These questions come up every single day.
And sometimes you know the answer in your language, but in English, you freeze.
Yes, you know what you want to say, but the words don't come out.
That's exactly what we're going to fix today.
After this video, you will feel confident. You will have the words ready.
So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves learning English.
This episode is for you. Let's start.
Okay, Sarah, let's start simple. I'm going to ask you a question, and you answer naturally. Ready?
Ready.
What are you doing this weekend?
Oh, this weekend, I'm going to visit my sister.
Perfect. So she said, I'm going to visit my sister.
Going to. This is very useful for future plans.
Yes, you use going to when you have a plan. You already decided.
So the structure is I am going to plus verb.
For example,
I am going to cook dinner. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to call my friend.
simple, right?
Very simple. You can say it short, too. I'm going to. We say it fast in conversation.
It sounds like I'm gonna.
Yes, in fast, natural English, people say gonna. But when you write going to.
Okay, now you try, viewers. Think about your weekend. Say it out loud. I'm going to.
Say it. Don't be shy. No one is listening.
Well, except us.
Okay, Mike. Now let's talk about another word, will.
Ah, yes. Will is also very common.
So what's the difference?
Good question. Going to is for plans you already made. Will is more for decisions you make quickly or things you think will happen.
For example, if someone calls you right now and says, "Can you help me?"
You say, yes, I will help you. Quick decision, right now.
But if you already planned to help them, I'm going to help you tomorrow.
Exactly. But honestly, for beginners, both are fine. People will understand you.
Yes, don't stress about the small differences right now. Just start speaking.
The structure for will is I will plus verb.
I will call you later. I will study English tonight. I will travel next year.
Beautiful. Short, clear, easy.
Okay, now, how do you ask someone about their plans?
Great section. Because conversation is two people. You need to ask, not just answer.
So here are some easy questions you can use.
What are you doing this weekend?
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Are you going to do anything special?
What are you going to do after work?
These are all natural, friendly questions.
And when someone asks you, you can answer short or long. Let me show you.
Okay, ask me a question.
Sure. Mike, what are you doing this weekend?
Short answer. I'm going to relax at home. That's it. Short and fine.
Now, a longer answer?
I'm going to relax at home on Saturday, and on Sunday, I'm going to visit a friend. We're going to watch football together.
See, you can add more details if you want, but short is also perfectly fine.
Don't feel like you have to say a lot. A short, clear answer is great.
Hey, stay with us, okay? We're going to practice all of this again at the end.
A little review conversation, just like a real situation, so don't go anywhere.
We'll be back in a second.
Okay, let's make this more personal now, because when you talk about plans, you often share what you like or don't like.
Right. So you can say, I'm going to try cooking. I really love cooking.
Or, I'm going to the gym, but honestly, I don't really enjoy it.
You're so honest.
Well, it's true. And that's the point. Real conversations are honest.
So you can use I love, I enjoy, I don't really like, I'm excited about.
These words make your answers feel alive and interesting.
For example, I'm going to see a movie this weekend. I'm really excited because I love action films.
And me, I'm going to rest this weekend. I don't enjoy being busy on weekends.
See how we sound different? We have different opinions. That's natural.
And in English conversation, having different opinions is great. It keeps the conversation going.
Okay, now let's go bigger. Not just weekend plans, but life plans. Big dreams.
Ooh, I like this section.
So, Mike, what do you want to do in the future?
In the future, I want to travel to Japan.
Oh, nice. You can also say, I would like to travel to Japan. It sounds a little more polite.
Good tip. I want to and I would like to. Both are fine, but I would like to sounds a bit more formal.
So use I want to with friends. Use I would like to in a job interview or formal situation.
Perfect tip, Sarah. Okay, what about you? What's your big plan?
I would like to learn a new language, maybe Spanish.
Oh, wow. So you're learning English and you want to learn Spanish?
Maybe one day, but right now, English first.
I love that. Okay, viewers, think about your big plans. What do you want to do in the future?
We're going to ask you to write it in the comments very soon, so start thinking.
Let me stop for a second. Let's go over some important words from today.
Yes, good idea. Vocabulary break.
First word, plan. A plan is something you decided to do. You thought about it, you chose it.
I have a plan for Saturday. This means I already decided what I'm doing.
Next word, goal. A goal is something you want to achieve. It might take time.
My goal is to speak English fluently. That's a goal. It takes practice and time.
And dream. A dream is something you really hope for. Maybe it seems big. Maybe it feels far away.
My dream is to travel the world. Beautiful. Maybe it's far, but you can say it.
So, plan, goal, dream. 3 levels.
A plan is close, a goal is bigger, a dream is the biggest.
Okay, let's talk about when to use these phrases in real life.
Yes, because knowing English isn't just about grammar. It's about knowing when to use it.
Situation 1. Your friend asks, "What are you doing tonight?"
Short answer is perfect. I'm going to cook dinner and watch TV. Easy, done.
Situation 2. At work, someone asks, "Do you have plans for the long weekend?"
Here, a medium answer is nice. Yes, I'm going to visit my family. We're going to have a barbecue.
A little detail shows you're friendly and open.
Situation 3, a job interview. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
This is a big question. Use I would like to and I hope to.
For example, I would like to develop my skills. I hope to become a team leader.
See? More formal, more polished.
So always think, who am I talking to and how much detail do they need?
Friend, keep it short and fun. Work,
a little more detail. Interview, more formal, more focused.
These small changes make a big difference.
Okay, we promise to practice conversation at the end. Here it is.
Listen carefully. We're going to have a natural conversation. See if you can understand everything.
And after, try it yourself, with a friend or just out loud at home. Hey, Sarah, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday. We're going to have a big family lunch.
Oh, that sounds lovely. And Sunday?
Sunday, I'm going to stay home and relax. Maybe read a book. What about you?
This Saturday, I'm going to the gym in the morning. And in the evening, I'm going to watch a football match with some friends.
Oh, fun. Do you have any big plans coming up, like for the holidays?
Actually, yes. I would like to travel to the mountains next month. I've been planning it for a while.
That sounds amazing. I love the mountains. My dream is to live near mountains one day.
Really? Maybe we can plan a trip together someday.
Yes, I would love that.
Okay. Did you follow that?
That was a real, natural conversation. And look, short sentences, simple words, real plans.
You can do this. I promise.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. But don't worry, we'll keep it short.
Today, we learned how to talk about future plans using going to and will.
We learned how to ask questions about plans.
We learned how to give short answers and longer answers.
We talked about weekend plans, life goals, and big dreams.
And we practiced real vocabulary: plan, goal, dream.
Not bad for one video, right?
Not bad at all. Okay, here comes the best part. Your turn.
We want you to practice in the comments right now.
Write one sentence about your future plans. It can be simple, like,
I'm going to study English tonight.
or I would like to travel to Italy.
Or even, my dream is to speak English fluently.
Any of those. Copy them, change the details, make them yours.
We read every comment. We love seeing you practice.
And if someone else writes a comment, reply to them. Practice together.
The comment section is your free English practice space. Use it.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today's episode of Easy English Podcast.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. It really means a lot.
You showed up today. You practiced. That is something to be proud of.
Every single time you listen, every time you repeat, every time you write a comment, you are getting better.
Even if it feels slow, you are moving forward. We promise.
So be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself.
And keep going. You've got this.
We'll see you in the next video. Come back tomorrow. We have something really great for you.
You won't want to miss it. See you then.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.